सुपर डिजिटल स्किलिंगा खातीर गोंयांत नायलीट सेंटर उबारपाची घोषणा केंद्रीय आयटी मंत्री रवी शंकर प्रसादान केली. बिल्डअप जागो दीत जाल्यार म्हयन्या भितर नायलीट सेंटर सुरू करता म्हूण प्रसादान उतर दिलें. गोवा आयटी डे निमतान आयटी धोरण 2018 लॉन्च केलें. भारत डिजिटल इकॉनॉमीचे दिशेन फुडें सरता म्हूण रवी शंकर प्रसाद उलयलो.
And Manohar Parkarji, today I have to make one announcement. We have got a NILIT center all over the country. Goa does not have a NILIT center. Okay, I hereby declare that Goa will have a NILIT center for super digital skilling. You please provide the space. Okay, land you will provide will take time. If you can provide the built-up space within 1 month's time, NILIT center will start here. That's my promise to you. Rest will take care. I would recommend that I'm very happy that electronic cluster, the Chief Minister, you have inaugurated here. Please come with your policy. Goa, because of the exotic locations and soft power, can become a good center of electronic manufacturing. I'm going to help you out to the best. Please tap these resources. Why I'm telling you that in mobile manufacturing alone, about 5 lakh people are working. And do you know how many factories have come in Noida? 54. Now battery, charger, circuit, Sri City in South India. I'll be the happiest to know if Goa becomes a big center of electronic manufacturing. Therefore, from hardware to software to your electronic manufacturing, and how we are going to leverage it economically, which Goa can also use. We are pushing India's economy to a $1 trillion digital economy.
डिसेंबर म्हणसर गोय सरकाराचे सगळे ट्रान्झॅक्शन डिजिटलायज जातले म्हूण पर्रीकार उलयलो.
During 2012, my last tenure as Chief Minister, we ensured that Government of Goa abolishes checkbooks. 2000 December onwards, Goa government has not issued any checks to people, and we have been completely online on payment, whether it is RTGS or various other mode. And now we have decided that all our transactions will be digitized. So that we are trying to do it by September, maybe. I was away for 3 months, so it may take up to December to ensure that we really go totally digitized. And I really appreciate Goan's knack for technology.
गोंयकारांक आयटी पॉलिसी एक बरी सन म्हूण रोहन उलयलो.
We are talking about a special encouragement to the Goan diaspora to start business in Goa. We are talking about special incentive allowance. We are talking about human capital development and certification program. I think all these verticals which have been covered along with the lengthy schemes will give a lot of opportunities for all our Goikars who have a lot of pride about the Goikarpan, who would like to retain their heritage, who would like to retain their traditions, at the same time create an opportunity in Goa, being as sons of the soil, allowing a lot of talentful formation in the state.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
रायेश्वर इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ इंजिनियरिंग एंड इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी शिरोडा रॉयल अकॅडमी यूकेचे झोनल पार्टनर जाल्यात. ह्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय सहयोगाचो गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक फायदो जातलो. हे कार्यक्रमा खाला डीप लर्निंग आनी मशीन लर्निंग स्टडी प्रोग्राम जातले.
शिवग्राम सोसायटीचो चेअरमॅन सुभाष शिरोडकार आनी आरआयटीचो प्रिन्सिपल प्रोफेसर सुरेंद्र राहामटकारान मिडियाक यूकेच्या अकादमी कडेन जाल्ल्या ह्या सहयोगा विशीं सांगलें.
Up till now, we have given, I would say, to the state and to the country almost 2,300 engineers. The boys and girls have been from various parts of the state, coming all the way to Shiroda, and they have passed over a period of, I would say, 14 years. This batch is the 15th batch, which will be coming out by coming March, that is 19. Today is a thing of pride for me and for my colleagues, I would say. Rayeshwar Engineering College has tied up with a Bennett University, which is at Noida, which is in collaboration with NVIDIA and Royal Academy of Engineers in London. Now, Royal Academy of Engineers in London is the funding authority for Brunel College of London. Brunel College of London. Now, Brunel College of London has tied up with Bennett University of Noida, that is in Delhi, somewhere near Delhi. And partnership agency is NVIDIA, which is again an Amazon-based company, Amazon-based company from California. RIT has been chosen and tied up as a lead agent, zonal partner for these activities. Now, what are the activities going to be? First, it is artificial intelligence. Secondly, it is deep learning. And third thing, it is machine learning. My appeal to the people working in the field of education, all the faculty members I would say, for the simple reason that the people from Goa and the students from Goa will have to fall in love with maths, will have to fall in love with science and see the growth.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुंकळकार.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.